Hello, my name is Mike Thomas, and I'm a supervisor of line operations with PUC services in Sault Ste. Marie. Have you ever lost power in the middle of the night or on the weekend? Have you ever wondered what it takes to have your power restored? This video will show you all the teamwork and hard work involved in restoring power. It all starts once a customer calls in a power outage or sends a tip on our My PUC app. The PUC shift operator will then call out crews to inspect the impacted area.
Hello, PUC. Okay, and where's the outage? And can I get your name, please? Okay, thank you very much. We're gonna dispatch your crew right away. Bye. Hi, Jim. It's Ryan calling from the water treatment plant. We have an outage in the West End. We'll send you the information.
Some repairs are quicker than others. In this example, after crews safely arrive on the job site, our power line technicians were able to repair a transformer issue in roughly half an hour. However, not every restoration of power is that simple. Mother Nature can wreak havoc on our lines. Sometimes multiple crews will be called out. In this scenario, power lines are down, and a supervisor and electrical system operator must be called in. Teamwork is vital to restoring power promptly. The supervisor and electrical system operator work closely together to assess the outage. If there are multiple outages across the city, they must prioritize where to send our crews. Our first goal is safety.
Derek, with these calls coming in from customer service, service trucks responding to Panoramic Drive, why don't we put a crew on Princeton Drive and we'll make repairs on Primrose with the third crew. Okay.
Crews will be sent out to reduce any safety hazards. Then we focus on restoring power to the areas impacting the most customers. Our electrical system operator will try to divert power from working substations while repairs are being made. This will bring more people back online in a timely fashion. I hope you enjoyed the behind-the-scenes look at what happens when the power goes out and all of the hard work that is required to safely restore power. Just remember, the best way to report an outage is through our My PUC app. You can download it on both Android and Apple devices.